While its current eruption is almost completely effusive, albeit with some occasional minor ash emissions, the presence of a caldera indicates that thousands of years ago, Messiah produced far more powerful and explosive eruptions. And now, here are this week's top stories, this week's major volcano-related news stories. In Hawaii, the Kilauea shield volcano erupted once again, this time producing a series of up to 600-foot-tall lava fountains. Meanwhile, in Iceland, magma is building towards the next eruption of the Reykjanes volcano, north-northeast of Grindavik, which one model suggests is most likely to begin between March 9th and March 11th. And in what is Nyamuragira, lava flow, this week's top story, which happens to be largely overlooked, a lava flow in the Democratic Republic of the Congo is advancing towards a populated area which has not been inundated by lava flows in multiple generations. This is occurring at Nyamuragira, a highly active shield volcano north-northwest of the major city of Goma. As you can see by the abundant lava flows on its flanks, Nyamuragira frequently emplaces alkali-rich tephrite lava, albeit primarily from two rift zones which run through the volcano. As a result, the hundreds of lava flows emplaced here during the last 2 centuries have almost solely followed one of 4 pathways, aided in part by local topography. In turn, this means that a fairly sizable area to Nyamuragira's west-southwest and east-northeast have been almost completely untouched by destructive eruptions for centuries. While the eastern section is completely unpopulated, our problem arises due to the fact that the western section is indeed populated by around 2,000 people. And, possibly due to topographic changes in Nyamuragira's summit caldera, for the first time in its recorded history, lava flows have been repeatedly traveling further and further down west into populated areas. This first occurred between May and July of 2023, and then again from August to September of 2024. And this is now occurring for a third time specifically since January 18th of 2025. This lava flow has traveled 5.1 kilometers or 3.17 miles since then, and is still continuing to advance at the present. While less likely, the current lava flow has the potential to travel as much as 9 kilometers away, in my opinion, which could place these clusters of structures and homes at risk. In Hawaii, on February 25th of 2025 at 6:26 p.m. local time, the famed Kilauea volcano erupted Kilauea eruption once again, marking its 11th eruptive episode since December 23rd. This began with weak lava effusion from its northern vent, but soon this gave way to increasing tall lava fountains, which by 6:50 had grown to become 200 feet tall. Another 60 minutes later,